Buying mutual funds on Etrade is a simple process that allows you to invest in a diversified portfolio managed by professionals. Here's how to do it. Log into your Etrade account, visit the Etrade website or use the mobile app. Enter your username and password to access your account. Navigate to the mutual fund section. On the main dashboard, click on the Trading tab. Select mutual funds from the drop-down menu. Search for a mutual fund. Use the search bar to enter the name or ticker symbol of the mutual fund you want to invest in, or use Etrade's fund screener to find mutual funds based on various criteria like performance, fees, and risk level. Review fund details. Click on the mutual fund to see important information, including past performance, expense ratio, investment strategy, and the minimum investment requirement. Place a buy order. Click buy on the mutual funds page. Enter the dollar amount you want to invest. Some mutual funds may have a minimum investment, so be sure you meet that amount. Review and submit. Review your order details, then click submit to complete the purchase. Monitor your investment. Track your mutual fund in the portfolio section.